Top of the morning to ya. It's the Food Stranger. And today, we're making Kraft Caesar salad. Oh yes. Let's get right into it. Now, before you start chopping, I want all of you strangers out there to make sure you wash your lettuce nice and crisp. I don't want any of you getting sick out there. The rest is quite simple actually. You just chop up your lettuce the size you like it and you start adding your Caesar dressing. And then you mix. After that, you just add your Parmesan cheese. And what do? That's right, you mix again. I think it's time we plate this bad boy and give her a try out. She looks quite healthy to me. Oh gee golly gosh, that looks quite scrumptious. I haven't had a salad in a while. I think it's time to help out my heart. I'm going to give this a 7.5 out of 10 on the Food Stranger scale. I think Kraft makes a mighty fine product if you ask me. Give her a try out and I'll see you next time on the Food Stranger.